Hello, welcome. Today let us have a different type of class. That is chapter graphs you are going to learn today. Here you are going to learn what is x-axis, y-axis, horizon, x-coordinate, y-coordinate, ordered pair, what are the quadrants, what are the ordered pairs of different quadrants, and how to plot a point on a graph paper. All these things you are going to learn in today's class. Okay? This is the Cartesian plane. In this Cartesian plane is having x-axis and y-axis. What is x-axis and what is y-axis? The horizontal line is known as x-axis and the vertical line is known as y-axis. Let me name this as x dash O x, y dash O y. X dash O x is the horizontal line. X dash O x is the horizontal line, that is x-axis. Horizontal line, that is x-axis. And y dash OY is the vertical line, that is the y-axis. Okay? And the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is the origin. O is the origin. What is origin? The point of intersection. The point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is the origin. I think the whole Cartesian plane is divided by x-axis and y-axis into 4 quadrants. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, and this one is fourth quadrant. And the point of intersection of both the axes is known as origin. So by now you are clear what is x-axis, horizontal line, what is y-axis, vertical line. Origin is the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis, and both the axes ax, ix is singular, ax, es is plural. Both the axes divide the Cartesian plane into 4 quadrants. This quadrant means fourth part. First, second, third, fourth. Okay? Then, let me know x-axis. This is the O, origin. The coordinates of origin are 0, 0. What is 0, 0? That means x coordinate 0, y coordinate also 0. So let me name it here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. This one. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very closely I have done, I think. Okay. How to plot the points? What is x coordinate? What is y coordinate? Towards the right of x-axis from the origin is positive, and towards the left from the origin is of x-axis negative. Similarly, above origin in the y-axis is positive, below origin in the y-axis is negative. Okay? Negative integers. Okay. If you want to plot a point 2, 3, 2, 3, let me name this 2, 3. That means this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Okay, before this, let me explain you what is an ordered pair. Ordered pair means x coordinate and y coordinate is known as of a point is known as the ordered pair. X coordinate, Y coordinate. In the ordered pair is the position of the coordinates in the ordered pair is very, very important. X, Y cannot be YX unless X and Y are equal. If X and Y are equal, no problem. X, Y or YX. Otherwise, Y cannot be in the first place, X cannot be in the second place. X coordinate is the first, Y coordinate is the second term. And these are said to be first term. In the ordered pair, X coordinate is the first term of the pair, ordered pair. Y coordinate is the second term of the ordered pair. And now I said how to plot what is 2, 3. Means X coordinate is 2, Y coordinate is 3. You see, X coordinate 2 here, Y coordinate 3 here. So when you from 2 here, when you draw here parallel to Y axis, and here this is the point 2, 3. Okay, so 2, 3 I have plotted here, and this point is in the first quadrant. So let me plot a point. Let me plot a point 2, 3. I have plotted, and the point is in first quadrant. Point is in the first quadrant. Let me plot a point -2, 3. -2 is this side here, 3 is here. So this is the point -2, 3. When I have plotted the point -2, 3, the point lies in the second quadrant. So -2, 3 lies in the second quadrant. Then -2, -3. -2 here, -3 here. So this is the point. You see -2, -3. Like this, when you come, this is the point -2, -3. When I have plotted -2, -3, the point lies in the third quadrant. The point lies in the third quadrant. And let me plot 2 and -3. +2, -3. This is the point 2, -3. When I have plotted 2, -3, the point is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant. What did you observe from this? When both are positive, the point lies in the first quadrant. When X coordinate is negative, Y coordinate is positive, the point lies in the second quadrant. When both X and Y coordinates are negative, the point lies in the third quadrant. When X coordinate is positive, Y coordinate is negative, the point lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay, that means in short I can say first quadrant both are plus, second quadrant minus plus, third quadrant both are minus, both means both X and Y coordinates are minus, and fourth quadrant X coordinate is plus and Y coordinate is minus. Okay, I think by now you are clear what, and this is the ordered pair, X coordinate, Y coordinate, and this is the point, the coordinates of the point. Okay, if let me explain you something more, some more things. And the X coordinate of a point is known as abscissa, and the Y coordinate of a point is known as ordinate. Okay, suppose the point is 2, 3. Here X coordinate is 2. It is otherwise known as abscissa. X coordinate is known as abscissa. And in this point, Y coordinate is 3. It is otherwise known as ordinate. So the x coordinate of a point is known as abscissa and y coordinate of a point is known as ordinate. Now let me plot a point 3, 0. 3 means x coordinate, 0 is y, 0 means this only. Here 0, 1, 2 y coordinate, 3, 0. Let me plot a point 6, 0. X coordinate is 6. Y coordinate 0 means no need to move there. Minus 5, 0. Minus 5, 0. Minus 5. X coordinate 0. Where do all these points lie? All these points 3, 0. This is 3, 0. This is 6, 0. This one is minus 5, 0. All these points lie on x-axis. Lie on x-axis. And what did you observe? If the y coordinate of a point is 0, the point lies on x-axis. So, if y coordinate of a point is 0, the point lies on x-axis. Same way, let me plot some more. 5, 0, 0, 5. X coordinate 0, y coordinate 5. 0, 5. This is 0, 5. And 0, minus 6. This is the point 0, minus 6. 0, minus 6. And 0, 1. 0, 1. This is 0, 1. And where do all these points lie? This is 0, 5, 0, 1, 0, minus 6. All these points lie on y-axis. Lie on y-axis. And here what did you observe? All these points, x coordinate is 0. So, if x coordinate of a point is 0, x coordinate of a point is 0, the point lies on y-axis. Are you clear? So we can say that equation of x-axis is y equal to 0, equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. That means we can say that equation of x-axis is y equal to 0 and equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. That means if the x coordinate of a point is 0, point lies on y-axis. If the y coordinate of a point is 0, the point lies on x-axis. I hope this is clear about graphs. What are the coordinates, ordered pair, abscissa, ordinate, all these things. And where do as per the given ordered pair, where does the point, means which quadrant and on which axis and all you can find out. Thank you.